A beautiful 4+2 bedroom brick home with 4 washrooms, situated within the Lake Vista neighbourhood of Southeast Ajax. Welcome to 10 Milham Drive. The east-facing covered front porch is lined with lush shrubs and evergreens, and through the entry door is an open-theme main level with spacious principal rooms, beginning with the combined living and dining rooms. Showcasing pot lighting, an elegant chandelier in the dining area, and large windows for natural brightness, including an east-facing bay window in the living room. A half wall also allows the ambient lighting of the foyer's beautiful light fixture to spill into the living room. Enhancing the spaciousness felt here is a soft, neutral decor that is carried throughout the main level. With these elegant entertaining spaces, as well as the main hall and the family room, finished with the rich warmth of hardwood flooring. Off the main hall is a powder room, its vanity upgraded with a quartz counter. The hallway leading into the inviting entertaining space of the family room. Here, west-facing windows allow for natural light and backyard views, the room having a ceiling fan for fresh air circulation, as well as the added coziness of a gas fireplace. And another half wall, this one with a decor column, separates the family room from the breakfast area while maintaining the openness felt on this level. Bright and with a generously sized and functional layout, the kitchen showcases ample cabinetry storage, stone counters and a glass-tiled backsplash, as well as a stainless steel side-by-side fridge freezer, dishwasher, oven, and double undermount sink. The gorgeous upgraded floor tiles are also showcased in the foyer, the powder room, and in the breakfast area, above which is an upgraded light fixture, and the sliding doors off this space open onto a large entertaining deck in the nicely sized backyard. The main level laundry room features quality vinyl flooring, a stacked front-load washer and dryer, as well as access to the home's single-car garage. The foyer has a good-sized coat closet, while carrying to the upper level is a staircase with hardwood treads, white risers, and a hardwood railing with wrought iron pickets. This level showcases hardwood flooring throughout, a modern chandelier above the staircase landing, 4 spacious bedrooms, and 2 beautifully updated washrooms. The second bedroom features a double closet, a large window, and can accommodate a sitting area. The third bedroom enjoys an east-facing exposure, has a ceiling fan and an oversized double closet, and has ample space for a sitting or study area. There is a linen closet just outside the upgraded main washroom, which showcases a vanity with a quartz counter and LED frameless mirror, polished floor and shower wall tiles, pot lighting, as well as a glass shower area with rainfall and handheld showers. While the fourth bedroom, which also enjoys an east-facing exposure, additionally features a ceiling fan and a double closet. Through a double-door entry is the master suite. This generously sized retreat showcasing pot lighting, a sitting area by its west-facing window, a ceiling fan, and a walk-in closet. While its stunningly upgraded spa-like ensuite washroom showcases polished floor and wall tiles, pot lighting, a freestanding tub with a handheld shower, a glass shower area with rainfall and handheld showers, as well as a vanity with quartz counter, undermount basins, and LED frameless mirrors. To the fully finished lower level is a carpeted staircase, with this level not only adding great recreational and entertaining space to the home, but also ideal as an in-law suite. Featuring laminate flooring throughout, pot lighting, and lots of storage, the lower landing can accommodate a sitting area or home office. The first of the 2 bedrooms has an oversized window and a double closet with mirrored doors. The combined washroom and laundry area features a tiled floor, a Euro vanity, a corner glass shower, and includes a washer and dryer. While the second bedroom has an oversized window and a double closet. Completing this level is a good-sized recreation area with a wet bar and a fridge, the bar having an existing rough-in for a cooktop, giving it potential for conversion into a kitchen. A short walk to Carruthers Creek Public School, John A. Murray Park, and public transit, as well as being close to the Harwood and Baywood Center shopping plazas. This home is minutes to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Center Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401, and Ajax's beautiful waterfront park with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.